my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start English chapter number 7, A Sailor and His Pet. Sailor कौन होता है? जो बोट चलाता है. Old sailor Johnny J loved the sea from the year he turned 12. He started sailing. Since then, it had been 66 years. He had sailed across the world. He had seen many countries, but the sea was his way. He did not like to live on the land for a long period of time. मतलब उसको शिप पे रहना बहुत अच्छा लगता था, है ना? और since then it had been 66 years. तो वो पूरे वर्ल्ड में चलाता था ये और उसको ना लैंड पे यानी कि धरती पे रहना पसंद नहीं था, वो ज्यादातर समुद्र में ही रहता था. He had a small cabin on an island of Guana where he chose to stay instead with his family, which lived on a nearby island. Johnny J has had only one constant friend over the years. Crazy Put, as he was known, spoke like a man but with a very odd, shrieking tone. Crazy Put and Johnny J both loved the sea, and like all sailors, enjoyed their own company. Meeting people always made them cranky with people, but what made Crazy Coot really special was that he was a macaw, a kind of South American parrot. His plumage and tail feathers were scarlet in color, the rump of light blue and the upper wings of yellow. Macaws are very intelligent and can be taught to speak. Crazy Coot had a bad temper, and when irritated, he would shout almost like humans. जब वो irritate हो जाता है तो वो as a human की तरह चिल्लाता है. Okay, so he loved watching old movies with Johnny J and could imitate sounds of gunfire. He could also speak some dialogues from some movies. He loved to whistle. Whenever he saw a girl or a woman, he would whistle loudly and pretend to faint. He also threw his favorite food, sunflower seeds, throughout Johnny J's house and loved to hide behind stakes. Johnny J and Crazy Coot were a well-matched pair, stubborn and solitary. Johnny J's older sister, Missy May, was not fond of the macaw. She would visit them when Johnny J and Crazy Coot were staying in their home on the island of Guana. Whenever Missy May was around Crazy Coot, he would screech or at her. Danny would make sound of police, siren and gunshots and laugh aloud. Missy May, as you can imagine, was not very happy with Crazy Coot. One afternoon, Missy May came to visit to Johnny J. When she did not find her brother in the house, she decided to sleep in the parlor for some time. She ignored Crazy Coot when he did not get the attention that he wanted. Crazy Coot started muttering and then hid behind some books. Then a thief climbed in from the window of the parlor. He started putting things in his bag quietly because he did not want to wake up Missy May. But the thief did not know about Crazy Coot, who was hiding behind the box. Out of nowhere, someone shouted, "You thief, you killed me. Leave me alone. I call police. You go to jail. You thief, are you trying to kill me? Leave me alone." So I will call the police. You will go to jail. It was followed by the sounds of police siren and gunshots. Suddenly terrified, the thief stood as if he had turned into stone. The thief jumped to escape, and at the same time, the sister got up from the chair. Surprised, the thief tripped and struck his head on the table. He fainted. Missy May then called the police, who arrested the thief. Feeling ecstatic at being saved, Missy May went to Crazy Coot to pet. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understood for chapter. So we will meet to the next class. Thank you, everyone.